everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the Harry Potter and Ulta Beauty Slytherin Cosmetic Kit review. The kit retails for $28 and is available on the Ulta Beauty website as well as in Ulta Beauty stores. The kit features 4 items which include a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, a tinted lip balm, highlighter beads, and a metallic gel eyeliner that are extremely travel friendly because of their size. I'm also including a clip so that you can see how the kit pairs in comparison to a standard Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So if you would like to see a review of everything this kit has to offer, just keep on watching. I'm going to swatch all of the items in this kit, starting with the eyeshadow palette, then the lip balm, then the eyeliner, and then last the highlighter beads. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. Dungeon is a muted pastel green matte. Gillyweed is a muted olive green matte. Sickles is an icy silver metallic. Snake Scales is a mint green metallic. Vanishing Cabinet is a muted mauvey brown matte. And Dark Mark is a black matte. The tinted lip balm is a pinky nude. The eyeliner is a muted olive metallic. For the highlighter beads, I'm using my BH No. 5 pointed highlighter brush, and the highlighter is an icy gold. Now I'm just going to give you my thoughts on everything in the kit. All the shades had amazing pigmentation and slight fallout. This palette from this collection was the most consistent and perfectly executed out of the others. As a woman of color, I'm so incredibly happy that this set has the most perfect lip balm to be paired with a brown liner. The olive colored metallic was very creamy and built up very nicely. There was only slight transfer after it dried down. The highlighter has a very soft, icy sheen that offsets the gold, and it's such a beautiful shade. As with the other collections, this is lacking the house logos on the packaging, so if you were to put these away without the box, you wouldn't know which is which. Honestly though, out of all of the cosmetics kits in this collection, I'm in love with this one the most, so it's definitely well worth the money. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.